Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys this new unboxing I got from Nike. So these here are the Nike Free Run Trail in the Driftwood Colorway. I thought these were pretty cool. They kind of reminded me of the Mars Yards. Taking a look at the shoe and we open it up here. It's just kind of like a neutral fall colorway, I thought. I got these just in case we do any state parks this year or anything like that. I did purchase our state park pass, so whenever it starts to cool down a little bit, I'm sure me and the wife are going to head up Enchanted Rock or something like that. So I thought these would be really cool. It was between these and these Pegasus that came out I thought were really nice, but overall I went with these just because I know free runs are pretty comfortable, and I really like the colorway. So as you can see, it's like an all nubuck or suede. I'm saying nubuck because it's just a really short hair suede, and it's like that bark color, and then you get like a burnt orange. I think it's really, really nice. You get this mesh inner liner, which I thought was pretty cool, and then here it says Nike Free Trail 5.0. The outsole on these is pretty much just your Nike 5.0, but it has a little bit more ruggedness to it. So it has more grip, more traction. So this will help you, if you're doing trails and stuff like that. Overall, I thought it was a really, really clean looking shoe that you can wear, pretty much anywhere, but more specifically for the trail. But really, really nice shoe. Happy that these came in, and I really can't wait to wear them. As sizing goes, I usually go a half size up for free run, so I usually am at 11.5 and I got 12. These fit perfect. They fit like the other free runs that I just did a video on as well. Yeah, overall, really, really nice shoe. Hey, but that is it. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. I'll catch you guys next time.